sky.
Hurricane Sandy started in Jamaica
October 22nd.
More than 15,000 flights were canceled. Trading Wall Street closed for 2 consecutive days.
Sandy caused
The worst damage
in New York subway
In 108 years.
More than 100 homes were destroyed by fire in Breezy Point, Queens.
Damages are estimated to run into tens of billions of dollars.
116 people died worldwide.
Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no countries.
For those who lost their lives, we remember you.
those who risked their lives and safety.
You're our heroes.
To the first responders,
You're our heroes.
the AC firefighters, you are our heroes.
To the first responders, you are our heroes.
Imagine no possessions. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger. Our brotherhood of man.
To those who raise awareness, you're our heroes. The policeman who died saving his wife, you're our hero.
Healing shelters, we are here for you.
Alder is here for you!
Support you, don't worry.
Bigger, stronger,
Better.
We will not be defeated.
We will fight.
We will fight.
We will succeed. We will rebuild.
We'll rebuild. We will fight. We will not be defeated.
Bigger, stronger, better.
We will rebuild!